Hello everyone, I welcome you all to your favorite channel, My Research Support. And friends, today in this video, we'll be discussing about EdrawMind. This is really an excellent tool to organize your ideas into well-structured research diagrams by using AI. So, including most attractive graphs within our research writing will definitely improve its presentation and will maximize the chances of our research documents getting accepted. However, it takes hours of our time to manually create these effective research diagrams including mind map, and after that also sometimes we may not create those attractive mind maps, but you can easily do that by using this EdrawMind within few minutes. Now with some simple examples, let me explain each and every feature of this EdrawMind so that you can easily understand how effectively you can use this EdrawMind to create excellent mind maps. So this is the main homepage of this EdrawMind. I have also provided this link in this video description, so you can refer to the tools where you will get the general idea about the kits, AI map generator, AI organization chart generator, and all other mind maps. You can also refer to the features where you can see EdrawMind app. Means if you want to use EdrawMind on app, then also you can do that. Different resources and templates. You can download this EdrawMind to your Windows, or you can use it online with your web browser. Now the first step that you have to perform is to sign up by providing some basic credentials, and then you can log in with your login ID and password. So before sign up, if you want to use the magical features of the EdrawMind, then also to some extent you can do that. You have to simply here on the main homepage itself, you have to put your prompt, and accordingly you will be able to generate your mind map. Now let me first log in with my login credentials to use its full capabilities. So after you log in, you have to click here Wondershare EdrawMind. So this would be your workspace where you will have access to more than 15,000 templates and unlimited canvas. That really makes customization very easy and unique. So if you want to use this EdrawMind with web browser, you can use it here, but I have installed EdrawMind with Windows, so I personally prefer to use that here. And here, as I said, you can have access to more than 15,000 different templates, and if you have any confusion, you can refer to the gallery where you can access category wise templates. You can also search for any specific template here, and this will help you a lot in selecting the best template for your mind maps as per your topic. And after doing that, you can simply select that template and you can edit that. Now let me go to the workbench first, and here we'll first explain how you can create excellent mind map from scratch. And for that you have to click here. So after doing that, you can find one basic toolbar which looks almost similar to the Microsoft Word, so it is really very easy to use. So you can easily align text, change font size, you can add shape, borders, layout, branch, connectors. You have multiple other options. You can select any of these options, and apart from this you will have multiple magical toolkits. On the right side of your mind map, you have main basic toolkit. Let us say I want to change the layout of this mind map. I can easily do that by this option. Let us see if I am interested in this type of layout. I can simply click that. If I want to edit any of this text, simply I need to double click on that so that I can rename that. If I want to change color of any of these boxes, I can easily do that with these options. You can also change its background if required. You can also insert watermark and many other options you will find, so you can try one by one. Again, here itself you have another option which is style, and in order to use that option you have to select your mind map, and then you will be able to see many other editing options. So similar to this style, you have this mark option where you can insert different emojis, symbols, arrows. You can also insert different clip arts, and apart from this, the main features you can find here on the upper side. So under this drop down menu start, you can insert different topics or subtopics. You can rename that. You can also insert floating topics. You can connect that to any specific main topic. You can also insert multiple topics. You can assign relationship for main topics and subtopics. You can insert call out if required. You can also add boundary. Let us say this is the boundary that I need to provide to all the main topics. You can do that. If you want to write something by summarizing all these main topics, then also you can easily do that. So here I can write my summary. So in this way you can also use these options: outline, Kanban and slides. So whenever you will be adding any features from these drop down menus, and once you click on that feature, then on the right side, as you can see, many editing options would be visible. That does mean each and every added feature can be edited very easily. Now after start, you can have this option insert, where you can add notes, voice notes, tags, to do. If you want to add branch numbering, you can add that. If you want to insert pictures, you can insert pictures from your PC, or you have excellent AI generated images features embedded within this interface, so you can use this as well. You can also insert marks directly from here. You also have several other options like clip art, paint brush. You can use table, you can insert formula, hyperlink, attachment, comments, and many more. So along with this, you can explore several other options under paste style. So you can easily change theme for your mind map. You can see this. So if you're interested in this theme, you can select that. You can change font of your entire mind maps directly to this option. You can change theme color. Let us say I want this theme color. You can select rainbow, single color, multiple, symmetry. You can also explore options under this magical handwriting. Again, you can change background colors directly. Background texture you can change from here, where you will have multiple background textures. You can change background image as well. You can remove background if you have added before. You can add watermarks. So similar to this, you can refer to the options available under advanced, where you can set topic margins, topic text width, history, local backup center. You can encrypt your file so that only you can see it. Then tasks, different chat options, and spelling check is also enabled within this platform. Right now there won't be any spelling mistake, and that is why it is showing nothing suspicious found. Otherwise, you can easily correct spelling mistakes from here. You can also have different view options. And finally, we will be discussing about the most important magical feature of this EdrawMind, which is this AI. So under this, you have this excellent option, intelligent file analysis, where you can select PDF, doc, long text, simple prompt, YouTube image, and you can extract the information and create mind maps. So let us say I need to extract the information in the form of mind map from my Word file, so I need to upload that. Let us say this is my Word file, so I'll select that, and then you need to click on generate mind map. So you can see this EdrawMind has started generating mind map by extracting the information from the attached Word document. So this is really an excellent option. Not only that, but similar to the Word file, you can also have option to upload multiple formats like PPT, PDF, Excel, text, MP3, MP4, images, etc. Let us say I would like to upload PDF file now. Previously we have used Word file, and then I can click on generate mind map. So in this way you can use multiple file formats. You can extract the information and you can convert that into attractive mind maps. Now let us say you have finished creating your mind map, and now you have to export that maybe into PowerPoint. So you have to click on this slides option. This is really an excellent feature, and then you have to click on convert to slides. So once the information is extracted, then you have to click on select template, and then here you will find excellent templates. Once you select the required template, then you have to click on generate PPT, and here you will see the magic. Around 36 slides have been generated. You can also change the slide types from here. So these are some advanced slides. You can also have option to look into the basic slides, and once it is done, then finally you have to click on export PPT, and you can easily export that into PowerPoint slides, or maybe in Excel, Word, or PDF, whatever format you are interested in. Again, you have one other option, which is Edrawmind AI. Let us say I am interested in customer journey mapping. I can click here. So you will get the required information of that topic, which you can easily convert into a mind map, and for that you have to click here on insert as a mind map, and you can see the magic. The information that you have got here itself has converted into excellent mind map. So similar to that, you have AI drawing, image text extraction, AI mind map generation. This is again an excellent feature. Let us say I need to generate a mind map of influence of, or for influence of exercise on health. So one click generation you need to click on, and you can see this EdrawMind has started generating mind map for influence of exercise on health. So this is again really a magical feature, where in a single click you will be able to generate, and along with that you can also explore article generation, AI translate, AI audio export, and AI video export. Now once your mind map is ready, you can save that, or you can export that into required formats. So believe me, this is fully loaded excellent tool to generate complicated mind maps easily, and you can use these mind maps in your review papers or research papers. Those will definitely improve the presentation. So I recommend you to first use its free version, and when you will really find this helpful, then you can upgrade to premium. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this information will help you. So if you have any queries, do write us through comments. We'll definitely try to answer all these comments. And also please do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.